Mayor ay naandun parate. Kahit wala po kayong kailangan sa amin, naandyan kayo po. You will give us everything and expecting nothing in return. Yun po yung kitang-kita po sa inyo. Sir, I will accompany you to Davao. Yun din po yung aking plano. I will not expect anything anymore. Just serve my remaining career in Davao with you.
Ang masabi ko, may puso siya, lalong-lalo na sa mahirap. Actually, may mga nagtatanong nga sa akin kung ano ba daw talaga yung ugali niya behind the camera. Ang masabi ko lang, he's a jolly person, matalino, at higit sa lahat, mapagmahal, literally and figuratively.
Para sa akin, isa sa natutunan ko kay PRRD ay yung pagiging mabait, pagbibigay respeto sa kanyang mga security. As Commission Officer, pili ko po rin itong tularan at ma-apply ko po sa aking nasasakupan.
Sana sir, hindi mo kami makalimutan kahit na hindi na kami mag-work for you. Malapit na kasi, and sana sir, parati kang healthy kasi pag happy ka, iba, kasi yung dating ng smile mo sir, pag happy ka na, giging happy din kami parati. And sir, bata mo ako forever.
Ako magpasalamat kay naghatag ka sa amo. Hope, wala ka kabalo sir, pero idol yun ti ka sir. Kasi idol kayo ti ka sir, dili kayo tungod sa imong leadership o sa imong nabuhat sa amo kundi tungod sa imong pagkamaayong tao. Naarami permi sir, mag-support sa imo ha sir.
Sana sir, mas mahaba pa yung time na ikaw ang presidente. Kasi you have done a lot. And sana ay pagpatuloy kung sino man yung papalit sa inyo, yung mga numpisan mo.
Sana palagi ka pong nandyan. I have learned a lot from you, and especially sa mga mentoring na binigay niyo po sa amin, sa lahat ng guidance, sa lahat po ng tulong. We will be forever grateful for those services that you have given us. You're one of the best tatay sa totoo lang.
Sa mga matagal nating pinagsamahan, sir, more than 5 years tayong magkasama. Nakita ko yung saya mo, yung hirap mo, yung mga tagumpay mo, syempre. Sana ma-enjoy mo pa yung life mo, na wala nang stress, wala nang lahat na ng gusto mong gawin, magagawa mo.
Sharing him the 6 years of his presidency, since the very beginning, the campaign period, and then until the end of his term.
During the remaining years of our lives, no, na makikita ko pa rin ang mahal na Pangulo natin na nagsiservisyo sa bayan at nagbibigay ng guidance sa mga sumusunod sa kanya.
Gusto ko lang sir na sabihin sa iyo na mahal ka namin sir in behalf of the Presidential Escorts Battalion. Mahal na mahal ka namin at napakasaya namin na ikaw ang naging boss namin, ikaw ang naging presidente, and gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na from the bottom of my heart, mabuhay po kayo. Maraming po salamat sir.
Sir, sa 6 na taon na naging security officer nyo ako, maraming salamat sa kumpiyansa at tiwala na ibinigay nyo sa akin at saka sa aking mga kasamahan ng mga security officers. Ang hangad lang namin palagi sa inyo, sir, ay maprotektahan kayo, maging safety kayo.
PRRD has been more than just my commander-in-chief being in the military. So I always looked up to him like parang he's my father. Kasi there were many instances that we ate together, then sobrang relaxed lang. He would make jokes, he would tell silly jokes, even personal stories na dapat hindi niya kinakwento sa amin. Kumbaga, pero he's very open.
Unang taon kong na nakasama ang aking Pangulo, doon na palagi sa kanyang likod. Nakita kung gaano siya katapat sa ating bansa, sa mamamayang Pilipino.
sa'yo, sir. Kasi hindi mo kami trained na mga security mo. Yun lang talaga actually yung naka-ano sa amin na we were treated as part of your family. So,
I'm really, really proud to have the honor to work with you as your aide. And indeed, you see him wearing barong, but after all the fiasco is over, he goes back and he changes into comfortable clothes, baggy shirts, jogging pants, chinelas, and he will enjoy a simple dish with us. He is the kind of person na pag nakikita mo kumakain, sobrang ganado. Kahit na yung ulam bulad, parang pati ikaw gaganahan kasi papaisip ka, parang ang sarap ng bulad, kakain na lang din ako. So, seeing him like that, na simple pleasures in life, he enjoys very much. Bisit! I will always remember all the lessons you've taught me throughout my career and for the rest of my life.
PRD was always a father figure, not only to me but to all of us. My special story about this is that when I had a miscarriage, he was very considerate and he was very concerned, and he let me to take time to rest and recover from the incident. He also tried to comfort me with his words and positive perspective. So I really appreciate that.